If fusible interfacing, hemming gum or glue has ruined your iron surface, watch this video. This is how I saved my pressing iron. Hi, my name is Anna. I'm a fashion designer, and this is how I clean my sewing iron in my studio. Let's get right into it. All I need is the Easy Off iron cleaner, a clean clothes, and a warm iron. I'm going to go ahead and plug my iron into the socket, and we are going to get into it. Let us get into the step-by-step procedure. What you have to do is warm up your iron. As you can see, I've gone ahead to plug my iron, and here is still the dirty surface. While the iron is warming up, I would go ahead and I'm going to squeeze an amount of the Ease Off cleaner onto my clean cotton fabric, like so. Once I squeeze a small amount onto my cotton, please, for safety purpose, I would suggest you put on a glove. I'm not wearing a glove now, but for your safety, kindly put on a glove. So once the iron is warmed up enough, now you're going to take the product, you're going to take this and you're going to use that to wipe the surface of your pressing iron. Okay. So you're going to take this and wipe the surface of your pressing iron in a circular motion. Please wear a glove, because it's going to get hot. Okay, just watch me. Okay, can you see? Now, watch the residue come off immediately. Just watch, okay? Just keep going in a circular motion. Okay, what I would do now is my iron is hot enough. I'm going to unplug it from the socket and I'll proceed. Let's go again. It's really hot, so hot. This is the old, the first cotton piece. Can you see all the residue? Now I'm just going to apply a little bit more, just a little bit, like so, because I want to finish up I still have some tiny spots of dirt on here. Okay, so let's just finish that up, okay? So to protect your hands, you can wear this to protect, or you can wear a glove. Okay, so I'm just going to wear this and continue. Okay, my sew plate is as clean as new. So one last general wipe down with that, and we are good to go. And some safety precautions: make sure you work in a ventilated area, and make sure you wipe your iron surface completely before using it on fabric. Okay, now look how clean my iron is. Can you see all the residues we were able to take off the pressing iron? So this is what we have. Isn't this clean? Can you see? Follow me for more professional sewing and couture tips from my studio. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye. Please give this a try.